What's included in the package? You will get 20 pieces of noise clips with 5 different sizes, 4 pieces in each size. Sufficient quantities can satisfy your daily needs and replacement detailed size information. These VHF radio noise filters come in 5 different inner diameters, including approximate 0.11 inch / 3 mm, 0.19 inch / 5 mm, 0.27 inch / 7 mm, 0.35 inch / 9 mm and 0.51 inch / 13 mm. The outer dimension of them is distinct, 3 mm, approximate 0.98 x 0.51 inch / 25 mm x 13 mm, 5 mm, approximate 0.98 x 0.51 inch / 25 mm x 13 mm, 7 mm, approximate 1.18 x 0.66 inch / 30 mm x 17 mm, 9 mm, approximate 1.37 x 0.78 inch / 35 mm x 20 mm, 13 mm, approximate 1.41 x 0.94 inch / 36 mm x 24 mm. Where to use? The RFI filter can help reduce EMI on AC power lines, and improve signal integrity, fitting for cord width about